I'm not sure if it's because I'm feeling a little spicy today or what, but I'm going to remove this strap. I'm done with it being attached. I don't see myself ever getting rid of this, so let's do it. Too late, you say? Nah. I should have done it before and after, huh? Louis Vuitton's gonna ban me for life. Theo, stop, baby. This one's a little tighter. Oh shit, this one's getting into it. All right, so here we are, the end result. I love it. I absolutely love it. And like I said before, I don't know if it's because I was feeling extra spicy or what, but I couldn't be happier with the end result. And now it's like the possibilities are endless in how I can dress up this bag, whether I wanted to use another leather strap or a chain or what have you. I think that's awesome. Now, as far as the entire process, as you guys saw, one of the straps was a lot easier to remove than the other. This one looks pretty good. It doesn't look like it has too much damage. This one I did struggle with a little bit. I don't know if it's because I used a little too much glue or what, but it has a little bit more damage than the other one. But I know I've seen some people end up adding D-rings to this. They glue it back up and then they end up kind of stitching this guy back up with a different, obviously with a different thread. I've seen people do that, but I honestly don't see myself doing that whatsoever. Just really going for other straps in general. I am eyeballing my Nano Speedy now just because I know how easy it is. And I will admit that last stitch was so incredibly freeing. It was just like, I don't know. I can't even explain it. I can't put it into words, but it felt really good to do. So I love it. I love it. Who knew, right? Who knew that I'd actually have the courage to go through with it? But couldn't be happier. I also wanted to show you guys how some of these straps and chains would end up looking on the now strapless Nano Noe. I will admit that before I even start this, I have a feeling that some of these might look a little bit odd, kind of like the khaki strap from the multi-pochette, or even this strap, which is from the Speedy 25 bandolier, just because they're a little bit thicker. So who knows, I could be wrong, but either way, I wanted to give you guys a better visual. So I just wanted to share this this quick video with you guys. The seam ripper is just a plain old seam ripper, and like I said, the whole process took maybe 2 minutes. So there it is, my new strapless Louis Vuitton Nano Noe.